This is Arkin. I'm a software engineer and I have done many projects. Today I will be presenting my latest project that is AI searching. It is inspired from the Perplexity.ai. As you know that LMs might be trained on the past data, due to which they might not have the real accurate information. So this project empowers LLMs to use a live web search to provide response with the real-time data. So let me share my screen so that we may go through the So when the user queries, if it contains URL, it will be scrapped through Cheerio and will be one of the part of the LLM query. The other would be the prompt without URL, the data we extracted, and third could be the previous response as a context. So when this will fed to the LLM, we will get the user response. So the let's do some demo. I will take Q and I will put it here. It will go to this link and will provide us the information. But it has context length, it is a rate limitation. So if I ask it more queries, it will hit the limit. So meanwhile, we can look at the repository. This is project repository. Go through the code. So okay, yeah, rate limit exceeded. Anyways, so the technologies that I used, Next.js for the front end, Cherry was for the web scraping and data extraction, Redis for the caching, and Grok for the fast AI inference. Struggles that I faced was reference citation, but it was resolved through prompt update. The future implementation that I want to do are multimodal